What's up? What's good? This is Clifton Ubry, and today I have a video where I want to show some tips when it comes down to doing video, YouTube video, or just any other kind of videography. I'm showing a tip that pertains to a CPL, or what's also called a polarizing filter. Now, this type of filter can allow you to basically see through water, and if you take pictures that deals with anything pertaining to mirrors or glass, well, really glass, you can manipulate reflections based off of how you turn the filter. Now, as you can see right now, you can see the background here on my screen, and that's because currently I have it turned where it's not really utilizing the filter on my camera lens. Now, as I turn it, you'll see there's a change. Now, it also affects things like reflections, like I said, with glass, mirrors, or whatever like that. That also pertains to water, because you get the reflection from sunlight or whatever else, because water, the surface of water is kind of like a sheet of glass, in other words. So, as you can also see, and I'm going to show, I have a light here, utilizing this for a little bit of lighting. Now, that isn't the best type of lighting, but this filter can actually fix harsh lighting. Now, I will turn it, and if you look really close, you can see the effect of the reflection. As of right now, I almost have no reflection on my face. Now, if you have really bad lighting, this would fix some of that problem. Now, what I would do is not have it 100%. It looks a little unnatural, but you can turn a little bit and get a slight bit of reflection to make it look more natural. And the light still isn't harsh, and what you can get is a pretty good look, even if you have poor lighting that's not diffused in your studio or whatever other setup. Now, that's just a little tip that I want to share, and I've noticed, and I can see it in real time currently with even just doing this video. Now, if you use it for photography, things like taking pictures of leaves when there's a lot of sunlight, you can also notice that the shine could end up being a little too much. Now, you can fix this in post, but if you use the filter, you can also fix that problem before even having to get to the editing process. Just use it sparingly. Don't go all out 100% on it, and it will give a nice look. If you're doing photography when it pertains to landscapes, let's say a sunset, this can also help with that. You can get some of the deeper blues in the sky. Just, again, don't overdo it, because in the editing process, you can also try to enhance what has already been fixed a little bit. So that is my tip for today. And as you can see, just to kind of show, have the light shining, and it really doesn't make it look bad. So that is my tip for today. Think about getting a CPL filter if you have a camera. What I'm using is the Canon M50 mirrorless camera. Each lens may vary. Some may have a bigger thread size. Mine is the 24 EFS from Canon, and it has a 52 millimeter thread. So, yeah, it'll vary. Check for them on Amazon or any of your stores that may carry filters. I bought this one from Best Buy. It's I think it's Platinum brand, but many others will do basically the same thing. Some may be a little better than others, some maybe not as much, but they work well, and hopefully you find this information useful. Thank y'all, and later. Almost forgot, if anyone is interested in seeing some photography pictures, just starting out doing a lot of that, but I have a lot of flowers, I have landscape pictures and all. And if you want to check that out, you can look at either my Facebook or my Instagram page. It's also the same as my YouTube, Clifton Ubry. So if y'all want to, go give it a check out. See if you like it. Later, y'all. Thanks.